na mabula.
Mrs., Shield Bath Soap ang gamitin.
Bula, 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 bula.
Mabula at may effective antibacterial ingredient para sugpuin ang germs. Shea butter tulong para hindi mag-dry ang skin.
Kahit paubos na, tuloy pa rin ang bula.
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
At sulit na sulit.
Bula, 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 bulala.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ito ang 99.5 IFM, ang music station ng RMN sa Lawag City. 99.5 IFM, ang best friend mo. Ang best friend mo.
IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. Kapag nalulungkot, pinakatawa mo. Pag may problema ko, the best na magbigay ng payong. Enjoy palagi sa jokes mo at sa drama. Ang radio station ko na best friend sa lungkot at saya. Anong mang oras, araw-araw, busy man o relax, pinapakinggan ko ay ikaw. IFM, IFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Best friend kong kakulitan, karamay katsikahan, tapos sa kwentuhan at tutugan. IFM, ikaw ay the wind, they touch me through feelings, and you never know till they begin. What you want is really what it means. Don't wanna be forever blue, 'cause I deserve some love that's true. Finding it the hard way and wishing for it every day. I guess I was wrong to want you, yeah. 'Cause I'm afraid to be forever blue. God's mother God for me. The dark, feeling your heart with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere.